In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crop marks in Microsoft Word using two easy methods. Crop marks are helpful when you are designing flyers, invitations, business cards, or any document that needs precise trimming after printing. They act as visual guides to show exactly where the paper should be cut, helping you achieve clean and professional results. Let's start with the first method, which uses Word's built-in options. Begin by opening your document. Click on the File tab, then select Options. In the Word Options window, choose Advanced from the left-hand panel. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Show Document Content. Here, you will see an option called Show Crop Marks. Check that box and click OK. You will now notice small corner marks appearing at the edges of your document. These marks indicate the printable area boundaries. While they are mainly used as layout guides and do not print by default, they can still help you align content properly before exporting or printing your file. Now let's move to the second method, which allows you to create printable crop marks manually. This method is especially useful if you need visible cut lines on the final printed page. Start by going to the Insert tab and clicking on Shapes. Choose the Line tool. Draw a short straight line near one corner of your page where you want the trim guide to appear. Hold the Shift key while drawing to keep the line perfectly straight. Then, copy and paste that line, rotating it as needed to form an L shape in the corner. Repeat this process for all four corners of your page. After placing the lines, adjust their thickness by selecting each line, going to the Shape Format tab, and increasing the line weight slightly so they are visible but not too bold. Position them carefully so they sit just outside your main design area. This ensures that when you trim the paper, your final product remains clean and evenly cut. If you are printing multiple designs on one sheet, you can place crop marks around each section using the same technique. Take your time aligning everything properly to maintain accuracy. Adding crop marks in Microsoft Word is simple once you understand these two methods. Whether you use built-in guides or manually create printable trim lines, you can produce clean, professional-looking results every time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.